There is no funeral like a Butetown funeral.
Every funeral to us is kind of personal. It is a ritual in a sense.
This can become heavy, especially when you're walking down Butte Road.
What is the relationship between loss, grief, ceremony, and music?
There is a land far, far away.
We are a big family. We're not related by blood, but we all come together.
Why boast it thyself?
And we got history like Brown. And it's not easy to explain, but it means a lot. It means an awful lot.
It's not only your grief, it's our grief. We are the dogs, we are the world, we are the people.